iku lak nawit. Iya. Wah, tepak iki. Mawas go iki. Kamus bahasa Inggris.
Wis hafal gorong jawaban kisi-kisiye.
Halah kecil iku. Di kerpeanku.
Dinner with celebrity,
Print.
dream job,
Madan household.
place to travel,
Singapore.
most interesting people,
Me myself.
hobby.
Review people bad attitude.
Mantap.
Wis, cus.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
Yes, of course, brother.
What's your name?
I am Sinting.
Wow, that's a very good name. I have a question.
Okay, come on. I can answer everything.
Okay, what's meal you love but don't know how to cook?